Hello, boys and girls. Welcome to our English lesson. For today's lesson, we are looking in Unit 2, titled Appreciating Others, but we are focusing on reading comprehension. Alright, so if you look at your textbook, you can refer to page 14. Alright, so by the end of this video, you should be able to read and understand an online article about an unappreciative child, and you should be able to answer the comprehension question based on the article. So this is the article. So if you refer to your textbook, English Year 6 textbooks, you can go to page 14. Alright, I'm not going to read this text or this article. I'm just going to summarize each paragraph, okay? You can pause this video later on to read it, okay? Alright, now move on to the first paragraph. So, first of all, we look at the title of this article. It is about being appreciative by Medina A.D. Okay, so what was the article about? So, it started with Hasnah pampered her daughter, Mira, who is 9 years old, with everything she wanted. So, but unfortunately, Mira was very ungrateful. She demanded for expensive things. For example, when she was given a simple mobile phone, she demanded a branded smartphone. For example, I give just a normal phone, she want iPhone. That is what we say ungrateful child. Okay, so if you look at the question, what is the article about? It is about ways of being appreciative. And then, how do you describe Mira's character? So, obviously, she is an ungrateful child. She isn't thankful for what she has, okay? And why is Hasnah worried? So, it is because her daughter was unappreciative. Okay, move on to the second paragraph. So, being not appreciative is an unhealthy practice. That means when you are not thankful for whatever you have, it is very unhealthy practice. It is very bad. Okay, so that is what Dr. Azwan, a child therapist, said. So he came up with an advice to the children to be thankful and appreciate what they have. Okay, who is Dr. Azwan? So Dr. Azwan is a child therapist. And then why is it bad to be not appreciative? It is because an unappreciative person tends to take everything for granted and be ungrateful for what they have. So if you give them whatever things, they are not thankful, they are not satisfied, they want more. Okay, and then move on to the third paragraph. Okay, so the doctor had advised and had given 3 ways to be appreciative. First of all, we have to list the things you are most grateful for before we go to sleep. Okay, and then that means you have to reflect, what have you got for that day, what should you be thankful for that day. Okay, and then you should practice thanking the people around you. For example, the bus driver, your parents, whoever show kindness to you, you should practice saying thank you to them. And the last one, you should be thankful for essential things such as food, shelter, and clothes. So this is our basic necessity for our daily life, right? Daily needs. So you should be thankful for that, because some people, some unfortunate people, they don't even have food. They don't even have enough food to eat, right? So, what are the ways to be appreciative? First of all, you should list the things we are grateful for before going to bed. We should make a habit of thanking people around us. And lastly, we should be grateful for our basic necessities such as food, shelter, and clothes. Alright, so list the basic necessity mentioned in the article. So, basic necessity is actually your daily needs. Okay, your basic daily needs. So, for example, food, shelter, and clothes. Okay, move on to the last paragraph, which is paragraph 4. Okay, so how can a child learn to be appreciative? First of all, parents play a very vital roles or important roles, okay? What can parents do? So parents can encourage the children to read stories with good values, and they also can encourage the children to watch inspiring movies. Okay, and then so such thing can the nurture a good values to the child. Okay, so what should parents do to teach children to be appreciative? So again, parents should encourage children to read stories with good values or watch inspiring movies. Alright? So I think that's all for today's lesson. You can just go back to previous slides to see the summary for each paragraph, and you also can pause this video so that you are able to read the article. Okay, I think that's all from me. I hope you stay safe at home and have a very good day. Thank you.